morning, I am Isa PCC Katampa, and here is the news at this hour, October 24, 2024. At least 14 people have been reported dead, while thousands are evacuated due to severe tropical storm Christine, the 11th cyclone to hit the country this year, affecting nearly the entire Luzon and Visayas and some parts of Mindanao. The Bicol region among the hardest hit, where many areas remains submerged in water. The non-stop rains also caused the hard flow from the Mayon volcano. Several provinces in northern Luzon have been placed under signal number 3, while Metro Manila at signal number 2.
Low pressure area is around 2,400 kilometers east of northeastern Mindanao. There is a high chance that the weather disturbance will develop into a tropical depression in the next 24 hours and may enter power early next week.
Okay, that's a wrap for our news update today. See you next time.